Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable noise cancellation feature on your DJI Mic Mini. So let's begin. So here you can see this is my DJI Mic Mini transmitter and I'm just going to enable noise cancellation feature. So here you can see there have a light, and on the another side there have another light. This light is for connect your device. When you connect your device, this light is turned on, and when you enable noise cancellation feature, this light is turned on. So if you want to enable or turn on noise cancellation feature, just a single press on this power button, and right now you can see this light is turned on right now. That means you enabled noise cancellation feature successfully on your DJI Mic Mini. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.